Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit or customize coach in Madden 27. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just open your franchise and go to Coach Central tab. Here you will see the option Edit Coach. Select that, and the first tab here we have is Info. Like you can change the first name, last name, offensive playbook, and defensive playbook in this tab. Then you can go to Appearance tab. Here you'll able to change the head of the coach. So simply select the head you like, and besides that you can also change the physique of the coach. You have some presets here, so simply select the one you like. Next you can go to apparel, and here you'll able to equip hats or change the outfit of the coach like this. Let's have a look on headsets. You can see we have options available here. Then you can go to tops to change the outfit like this. Next we can go to bottoms to change the bottoms of the coach. I'm gonna select, I guess, this one. And we can also change the shoes, which is quite interesting. But yeah, that's all there is to it. This is exactly how you'll able to edit or customize coach in Madden 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.